Preston.
I'm Colin.
We're out in an S240, 2022, Supreme S240 to be exact. And we're checking out how this thing performs. We are going to surf, wakeboard.
You
else?
might see some barefooting and maybe just a glimpse of the ski wake. But really just trying to show you what's going on with this boat.
Yeah, and I think we just finished up doing everything and pretty pumped on it. So let's check it out. Our test boat was set up with 4,800 pounds of total ballast and the upgraded ZZ6 engine option. The added power is a big plus over the 6-liter engine, and the fact that it's direct injection gives the boat a more refined feel with less noise and vibration. This setup allows for operation in lower RPM ranges, which results in better fuel efficiency and a quieter ride. Let's start off with one of our favorite features, Grom mode. The S240 allows you to lower the silent Stinger wave plate at speeds below 18 miles per hour. This creates a nice flat wake for beginner riders at slower speeds, and it also keeps the bow low for great visibility for the driver. If you're ready to start wake jumps, you can achieve a clean wake as slow as 17 miles per hour. Few boats in the market have such a feature, and it's so usable for beginner riders and kids. With that, it's time to load up with full ballast and check out the pro level wakeboard wake. The wake is just like the S220 we were in earlier. It looks, and it's big, and it looks big probably from the boat. Probably looks about the same.
It does.
It's got a really nice long transition, and it lips up right at the top, and it pops super hard. Pops harder than most new boats that I've ridden behind, which is good because you have to try less hard to get air. So it was fun. I really liked it. And when I cut out really hard, the boat doesn't tip, and that's important. So yeah, it was awesome.
Nice set.
Good ride.
Woo! That was fun. So we tried a few different setups for surfing and had a few key takeaways. When we had the boat completely full of ballast, the boat put out a really long wave with a mellow face, but we struggled to make it very steep at slower speeds with the Stinger plate up. We ended up running a longboard setup, which allowed us to get back really far in the wave, and the even weight distribution on the ballast made for a really quiet ride and awesome fuel economy. We ended up draining the bow bag down to 0 and preferred this setup over the prior. It gave us some really nice flexibility in where we could position the center Stinger plate, and the wave stood up really nice on both sides with similar settings. Although RPMs climbed a little bit, causing a little bit more noise and worse fuel consumption, the S240 with the ZZ6 is still insanely impressive compared to almost anything else we've been in. It's nice to see real results from an engine upgrade, and that's readily apparent with the ZZ6.
All right, Supreme S240 barefoot wake, ZZ6 power plant, 450 horsepower, should be 5,600 RPMs. Any guesses on top speed?
37.85.
I bet we're gonna be 37.
37.9.
Yep. Man, it'd be awesome if we went 38. So.
Enjoy the ride. right, so we just finished up our on-water review here on the 2022 Supreme S240. And Preston, what kind of stuff did we go through and what did we see?
Yeah, we surfed, we wakeboarded. We surfed both sides actually, and the wave is money. Very easy to set up. Wakeboard, wake, super fun. Mark barefooted. We could probably reprop this for a little better top end, but outside of that, we've still got warm weather left this year. And if anybody would want to come out and experience either an S240 or an S220, we'd love to take you out. So yeah, hit us up at N3 Boatworks, like and subscribe, hit the bell.
Show us you care.
Yeah.
We're doing some good content for you.
Yeah.
Give us that like, give us that subscribe.
And we'll keep it rolling. So
Yeah.
thanks for watching. The S240 packs amazing wake performance while maintaining an impressively smooth and quiet ride. If you're interested in experiencing one or have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our team at 317-845-9253.
Oh my God! Oh!